Yo, what is up guys? Today we are doing a pack opening and I'm going to be holding the camera with my hand, so apologies if it's wobbly, but we're going to be doing it with 70k because, you know, I'm not one of those high class Fifa YouTubers that have a crap ton of coins. So this right here is like, what, maybe 10 packs? I don't know, but let's get into it and start off with, could be better, could be very better. We got Jose dos Santos Mourinho. So used to opening it with FIFA points. So the reason I tapped out the first part was because these packs came out. So now let's open just one, and then we're gonna go back onto the regular packs. So yeah, let's see what's going on. Come on, be good. I'm just watching it. Ooh, inform. Ooh. And DEPAY. I'll take that, you know. I'll take that. How much does he go for? Oh, can't check. No, sorry. But alright, let's see. You know, I think I'll open up one more. The shortest pack opening ever, but you know, let's open that. Come on, I'm looking through the camera, I'm hoping for someone good. Who the hell is that? That was dog shit. And we got Chang. Now we got 5,500, so let's just open up one of these. What the hell? Oh yeah, because I did it with FIFA points because I'm a noob. Alright, let's see what it is, what's Messi gonna bring us. Alright, so now we're back to 500 coin. Let's see. If these players sell, I'll put the recording back, but you know, yeah, so I guess I'll see you guys later. Until now, bye. Okay guys, the pie just sold, so we have enough money for one more of those special 25k packs. Hopefully that inform sells so we could buy another one, but let's see. Hopefully we get another inform in this. Come on, please, or someone good. At least started out so promising, then they went to shit. You know, at least they're all rare, to be fair. So you know, whenever these guys sell, all whatchamacallit, get back on the recording and open more packs. But until then, I'll see you guys, well, not later, because most likely I'm gonna come back in, but you get the point. Alrighty guys, so the inform has just sold. These two are almost done selling. So now we have 50k in the bank, so let's go open two more of these promo packs. Come on, just give me that Neymar. That's not too much to ask. Shit. That is dreadful. That really is. You guys, you're about to get a little house tour in a second, cause lights off. Oh god, it's the bathroom. Ew. Alright, now let's get back into the pack. And look, we got 20k left, so let's go. Come on. You know what, guys? This isn't gonna be a turn off the TV pack if I can find the button. Okay, I did not see, but I don't know if you guys did. Now let's turn it back on. Let's take a look at what we got. Take a look at what we got. Take a look at what we got. Okay, I'm gonna cover it up. Well, attempt to anyway. Alright, I see 80 rated. I'm gonna just put my hand down. 79, 77, and then we got contracts. Okay, that's shit. How much does he go for? Probably just 1K. List him up for 2K, just see what we can make. For Clichy. Alright, I'm gonna get back in my seat. Gosh, that was freaking pretty bad. After the inform, the luck just died. Hey, look, we got Chicharo. He sells for a bit. Let me list him up for 2K. No. Alright. There, because I want a first owner Chicharo. Alright, somebody just sold. I'm pretty sure it was Griezmann now. We have 32K. Let's just check who sold. Oh, and yeah, these two. Alright, Busquets needs to sell. Let's get this Chicharo out on the market for 2K. Yeah, 2K. Go for this Chicharo. There, now let's go open another one of these packs. Or one of these promo packs that give us fuck all. 7K left. Yep, yeah, we have enough for premium pack. Let's see. That had potential. It did. But guys, pretty much when that Busquets sells, it's like no one's gonna sell. So you know, I guess I'm gonna have to end it off here. Oh wait, not that Busquets just sold. So we got some coins to spend right here. And yeah, but thanks for being a part of the pack opening. This is the last pack hype. Nope. No, not at all. Hey, we got Tuca Ferretti. Gotta keep him. He's a Mexican legend. He's not Mexican, but manager legend. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed, then something's wrong with you because my videos suck ass. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, bye. Oh yeah, and one last thing I forgot to show you. Just trying to make sure I don't get my club in this because I don't want to get hacked. That's my record. It's pretty good, you know. For someone that's like me, you know, it's pretty good. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.